A good trick is one where the spectator doesn't know how it's done. An excellent trick is one that is also very visual, but an impossible trick is one that defies the laws of physics. This is the shrinking card.
This video was made possible by our sponsor TikTok. TikTok is a media app designed to create and share short videos like the ones you see. If you want to unleash your creativity skills and make fun, different and interesting videos like this, then head over to TikTok and download the app and get creating.
This trick requires two cards, a mini card and a normal size card. Practice holding the large card between your first finger, middle finger and thumb. Extend your middle finger slightly and pull back on the card with speed. This will cause it to visually pop back into your hand. Reverse this action and it will pop out from your hand. Hold the small card in your hand and then quickly produce the large card using the move you've just learned. Cover the small card with the big card and it will create the visual illusion that the small card magically increased in size. You can pass the big card from hand to hand by always keeping one thumb on the small card. Now you need to practice the reverse shrink. Hold both cards in your right hand between your first finger, middle finger and thumb. Extend your middle finger slightly and pull back on the card, snapping it back. At the same time, hold the small card firmly between your thumb and first finger. Practice this in front of the mirror. You can drop the large card down onto the table to finish clean.